and realized that I am not doing sufficient work. So, this is the first video I am recording, and I probably don't know it is going to be uploaded or not. But I can pretty make sure that it will add some benefits in my communications and the agitations problems. And today I am talking about my journey that I am going to follow in throughout my college. So currently I am in my second year, third sem. So now I hit some reality that I want to do something big in my life and realize that I am not doing sufficient work to achieve that goal that I want. So now I hit the reality. In the past, in June, July, I also did some of disciplines that changed me completely. And after the July ended, August, September, I again ruined my life as the same habit follow back, like using excessive phone and not following the schedule. These 2 months are like downfall for me. But as I see back before June, these are pretty. These 2 months are pretty far better than the months before the June. So now again, I am taking control of my life, like I did in June and July. I have done many things in these 2 months. Like I have learned Java, I have learned how to be disciplined, I have learned control over my mind, and like I also tried journaling, meditations, and I learned GitHub. A lot of things in these 2 months, and I can probably see the impact on my life it has made. So now I was curious, what if I followed it in these 3 years of my college life? And I can't even imagine the impact it will give me in next 3 years. Whether I get a job or not, or what I did, I don't know in the future. But as a roadmap for now, I am targeting a high-paying job from being tier 3 college. Everyone around me expect my two or three friends, which are with the same mindset. They also targeting the high paying tech job instead of the college other students mindset, like life to set hai. So TCS like mindset, but one thing which separates me from them is that they are more motivation driven, not discipline driven. They are seeing only the tech job. They talk like blindly that they want to crack 1 crore job in next 2 years. Say I'm saying these are not impossible things, but the thing is, they are not working really hard towards this achievement. Like I am only targeting lesser than there, but they are targeting like 1 crore. It's not impossible. It's possible, but the kind of work they are doing, like they don't even have GitHub account. They haven't pushed any GitHub repositories. They like they don't even have LinkedIn accounts, and they are like uh, talking about achieving these big things without doing any efforts and putting any efforts and changing themselves. So these kind of mindset needs to be changed, and many of the young teenagers, I am 19 now, and soon in January I will be turn 20. So now I almost close to my teenage. So teenagers are very like motivation driven. They see that amount, but they don't see that they have to they have to pay for achieving that particular goal. So that's the same thing that lacking in my friends. One of my friend is almost about 20. He's not senior, but in age he is higher. He is elder than us, but still he speaks like that young child's, that young guy like 16, 17. Like कहते हैं ना कि हवा में तीर मार रहा है. He's like that, but I know he can probably do, if he is targeting like 1 CR, he probably can achieve like 20, 50. So that's the great thing. If he's putting his efforts, like I know how much he's doing, but it's okay than not doing anything. He's like a big fan of Harkirat Singh, so he's following him for a long time. So he's motivation driven from Harkirat, that he has 4 crore offer, so I will even have 1 crore offer, I will be like boom. So he's more like money driven, motivation driven. That's the main reason he is going towards Web3, Solana, blockchain. So that's not a wrong thing targeting about these high packets, but you also need to take care of that. you have to put some efforts, you have to sacrifice things to achieve that particular high dream. But most of us not able to do this. The reason is simple: we won't able to stay disciplined and consistent. Like I remember when we first make that group 100x dev, our WhatsApp group, our friend circle. So they were like crazy, like ये तो कुछ कर देंगे भाई. But soon I realized that they are just motivation driven. They have just seen Arkirat's one of videos, and one and it goes only 1 and 2 days, and after that the chat is now blank. There is no conversation. It's been like a week, no conversations going on. And the one thing also Harkirat said about Twitter, he constantly said about make a Twitter account because it helps better in getting a remote job. So the one he is right, but the way he wants the students to do the Twitter, they are not following that way. Like they are using Twitter for gaining followers. Like they are posting random things that doesn't matter, like memes. Like taking photo from another account and posting it in their account, just changing the context. So most of them you will see on Twitter are like this, and yes, they have pretty much followers, like 1,000, 4,000. My friend also has more than 300 followers. So when I check his account, he is doing the same mistake. He is not posting about his means what the path he is doing, what are the projects he is working on. He just posting random things like memes. Yes, it gives him a small hit of happiness, because when he sees he got 1k views, he got 50 likes, he got 100 likes. Yes, all we all like that kind of things, but the problem with this, it's not gonna to make any impact on our life. It will just give you followers, likes, and views. But if you really wanted to target and achieve something big, remote job, so you have to stop doing these mistakes, and you have to really post about your projects and the roadmap you are following. Like you can do 100 day of challenge I am doing right now, and other things you can join communities like build in public, developers jobs, freshers jobs. You can also try Reddit. You can try LinkedIn. There are many communities where you can join and show your talent, your project ideas. Even if one of the CEO or a founder hits your profile and he get amazed with your projects and ideas, surely he is going to connect with you, and maybe if everything goes fine, he can offer you like remote job or a high paying job. He can pay you equity. He is not going to see that you have 5,000 followers, 1k followers, or just 10 followers. He just want the specific work. If you are really doing things and posting about your career and what you are doing and your projects, then the real followers doesn't matter. If the you are doing the right things, then followers will automatically come, who are really interested in changing their lives and inspired by your ideas and projects you are working on. So the key concept is you have to stop doing these mistakes, like just expecting and not giving back anything. And also you have to start little by little. Like I have read a book, I don't have here right now. So it's The Power of Habit. You can study books like this, Power of Habits, The Deep Work. Deep Work is the most uh, the number one book every developer, every software engineer should read, as it speaks about the future proof, as it makes you future proof by by giving you the ideas about boredom and making yourself out of this clustered mind and the dopamine hit is, which loosen the focus, which loosen the our ability to focus and the ability to stay disciplined and to solve problems. So these like these types of resources also can help you grow in your career. So you should also move here and there, after look here and there on social media. Like you can also check out Y Combinator, where you can find many resources like ycombinatornews.com. So you have to check many things. You have to scroll meaningfully, not like meaninglessly scrolling reels. No, you don't. You have to be safe from these mindless things if you really want to achieve something bigger. So that's all I want to say. And other things, if you really want to change, then you have to be disciplined, consistent, because we forget that what we can have in next 5 years, next 10 years. We are just expecting the result in the next 1 day, 2 day, 1 week. And if we won't get the desired result, we just quit it. And that's the most bad thing that you are doing. So you have to be consistent and disciplined if you really want to achieve. And people say about AI, that AI will take your job. Really, this doesn't matter much. Yes, AI is there, but the thing matters is if you are disciplined and consistent, you will find another way. If AI is there, you will find another way to feed your stomach and your family. That's not the real issue here. The real issue is only not doing things and just scrolling mindlessly. And that's what ruining your life, not the AI. So you have to be disciplined, and that's all what I want to talk about. Thank you.